5 habits of highly successful people. Ever wondered what habits set successful people apart? Let's break down 5 habits that can transform your life. Habit 1. Wake up early. The early bird really does catch the worm. Successful people start their day early, giving them extra time to focus on what matters. Habit 2. Prioritize time management. Every minute counts. They structure their day, focusing on high-impact tasks that get them closer to their goals. Habit 3. Stay focused on health. Physical health is a top priority. Daily exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep fuel their productivity. Habit 4. Lifelong learning. They never stop learning. Books, podcasts, and courses help them stay sharp and ahead of the curve. Habit 5. Embrace failure. Failure isn't the end. It's a stepping stone. Successful people learn from their mistakes and keep moving forward. Adopt these 5 habits and watch how they shift your life toward success. Like and subscribe for more.